my name is Kaheem Gooden, and I am a member of the SGI Nichiren Buddhist community here in Jamaica. Thank you for allowing me to share a few words on this day of national prayer. As Nichiren Buddhist, our core practice is chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. This is a phrase in Japanese that expresses the fundamental dignity, courage, and limitless potential that exists in every life. Chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo is our prayer. When we chant, we are making a sincere determination of ourselves to bring forth our highest life state. It is a prayer that transforms fear into courage, confusion into wisdom, and hardship into determination. In this moment, as our nation recovers from the impact of Hurricane Melissa, many of us are facing loss, uncertainty, and heavy responsibilities. The circumstances will be challenging, life may feel unsettled for some time, but even in these moments, we must not lose our resolve to create an absolutely happy life, both for ourselves and for those around us, no matter what. Nam Myoho Renge Kyo is the sound of that resolve. It is a reminder that no storm can destroy our inherent potential or the hope that lives in our hearts. When we chant, we are declaring our determination to never be defeated and to win. We pray not only for our personal victories and strength, but for the healing of our communities and the revival of our nation. Our prayer is a vow that we will bring hope where there is discouragement, energy where there is malaise, and courage where there is fear. To everyone who is struggling, who is exhausted, or who feels unsure about the future, please know your life carries profound value. Your family, Jamaica as a whole, has endured hardships before, and each time we have emerged with deeper compassion, stronger bonds, and a new reality. This moment too can become a turning point towards greater happiness, but it is vital that we maintain the courage to make it so. Now, I would like to pronounce the chant. Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. May this bring you peace and happiness in your time of grief. Thank you.